Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the right upper oven door hinge on your double oven electric range, be sure to shut off the power supply to the outlet or junction box. Fully open the oven door and rotate both door hinge locks back. Partially close the door, then lift and pull the door toward you to remove. With the handle side down, set the door on a sturdy surface. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the 3 screws on the bottom, securing the inner and outer door assemblies. Next, unthread the 2 upper corner screws. With the screws unthreaded, you can lift off the inner door assembly. You can now unthread the 2 mounting screws, securing the hinge. With the screws unthreaded, pull the old hinge free. Install the new door hinge by aligning it in the inner door liner, then secure it with the mounting screws. Join the inner and outer door assemblies together. Replace the 2 upper corner screws and the 3 screws on the bottom. Reinstall the oven door by inserting the door hinges into the hinge slots at a 45-degree angle. Lower the door to its fully open position, then rotate the hinge locks forward. Restore power to the outlet or junction box, and the electric range should be ready for use.